guys, it's your girl Monet. What's going on? Come on in. So today we are gonna do an updated foundation routine, guys. I'm so sorry that I haven't been on YouTube uploading new content, but I'm back, okay guys? I am back. So if you are looking for a simple foundation routine to do every day, get flawless skin just like me, then stay tuned. Let's get started. First thing first, when doing my foundation routine, I like to go in with the Tarte Poreless Primer. I am almost out of this primer, y'all, but I'm gonna use it till I can't use it anymore. So I like to really focus my primer on the areas that I tend to get oily the most. I like this primer just because it fills in any pores, any enlarged pores. It just really gives me a smooth base for my skin. Next, I'm gonna take my Sacha Buttercup. I'm gonna take that Sacha Buttercup, and I just like to put some in the top. I'm gonna take my damp beauty blender. If you know me, you know I live by the beauty blender, baby. So I'm gonna use this. So what I'm doing now, I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm taking my setting powder and I'm setting my primer. So basically, if you tend to have oily skin, I am normal to oily, but a little bit more on the oily side. This just helps to mattify your skin, set your foundation in place, give you a nice, even, smooth coverage. Forever Matte Skin. It's the Matte Velvet Skin 24-hour foundation. I live by this foundation, guys. Like, it is such a beautiful foundation and it lasts all day. So I'm taking the color Y533 and I'm just gonna blend that all over my face. Yes, honey. So one thing I love about Makeup Forever, it was initially made for the Water Ballet. And Danny Sands, who's the CEO, like the owner of Makeup Forever, she initially made her products only for her students. Isn't that crazy? And now it's like one of the top artists. Go in with my Makeup Forever Full Cover Concealer. And this is in the shade 14. And you guys, I'm gonna link all of the products that I use down below. So I like to build my foundation up into the corner of my eye. I mean my concealer. Period, boo. So that is what I've been doing. I love this concealer because it is full coverage. It is so smooth. It blends beautifully. Absolutely beautiful. Right now I'm just blending on the side. Just scoop it out on the face. And not any extra line. Because our Makeup Forever is that it's so full coverage, but it feels weightless. So full coverage and it feels weightless. Revolution foundation stick, and it's in the shade F18. And I'm just taking that around the perimeter of my face, and I'm just dotting like crazy around the perimeter of my face. Then I'm gonna go underneath my chin. Period. And next, I'm just gonna blend. I'm gonna go back in with that Sasha Buttercup. And now I'm gonna set my concealer. So first, I'm just gonna set my powder there before I really go in to blend it out. Just because I don't wanna create any creases or wrinkles on this side before I'm able to blend it out. So when I put my foundation, my setting powder on, I like to really blend it into my skin. Especially in those areas where I get my smile lines. I really like to set that with setting powder. And once again, I just use the same damp beauty blender to really just spray around my highlight. Next, I'm going to put it underneath my chin, the outline at the top of my lip, the tip of my nose, and the center of my nose. I just did too much on this side. Yep, I take it all the way down my nose, y'all. And I have not contoured my nose yet. And you can see here, I'm taking the pointed part of my beauty blender. Can you see that? And I'm allowing that to be like a guide of where I go down. I'm taking the butt of my beauty blender and just wiping on the side. So remember guys, the butt of that beauty blender has a contour color on it. So that's how I'm contouring my nose. I did not go into extra product. That is how I contour my nose. So, next thing next, while that is setting for a while, I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques angled multitasking brush, and I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix foundation powder in the shade NW48, and this is what I use to blend everything together. Because I've allowed my foundation to sit and bake for a while, I'm actually going to spray it with my Mario Badescu setting spray. I'm gonna take my spoon. So I like to do this just to add some moisture to my skin so that when I go in with the powder, it really sticks. Techniques. And I'm gonna go into the shade C40 by MAC. And guys, I'm only focusing this in my tear duct, like in the corners of my eye, to reinforce, and then I'm fading it down just to reinforce my highlight, and so that I don't lose it in the midst of blending out that foundation and setting my multitasking face brush, and I'm gonna go into the NW50, and I'm gonna just bronze out my cheekbones. Going around the perimeter of my face, and this is just adding some warmth. Then I go in with my Juvia's Place ZULU palette. I'm gonna take that pink shade at the bottom and use that as my blush. So I first started using eyeshadows as blushes when Makeup Forever had the eyeshadows that paired as blushes. So after that, I was like, well, I can use any eyeshadow as a blush. And since then, I've been breaking the rules, baby. So, next guys, I'm gonna go in with my Enlight powder by Danessa Myricks, yeah, by Danessa Myricks. And I absolutely love this powder. This one is the Enlight Halo powder in the shade Heat. And baby, it's about to get hot up in here, okay? Not hot in here. It's about to get hot up in here. So I put a little bit of that highlighter palette on, that highlighter on this brush, you guys. And oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. A little bit of this highlighter goes a long way, guys. It is definitely like a glittery like highlighter. Let me see if I can show you guys in the top here. Like there you can see it. It's like super glittery. So a little goes a long way. And a little bit of highlight on my nose. I'm gonna take this setting brush and in 50 again, and I'm just gonna clean it up so it has a really nice shape. Next, I'm gonna go back in with my blush brush. A little bit of product, not much. And I just want that to really pop on top of that blush. On top of that highlight. So guys, on days that I'm only wearing foundation, like I'll put on a little bit of liner, a little bit of lash, but for the most part, this is how I get my foundation done. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye.